In this video I'm going to show you how to preload the Z carriages. So right now, if you take the bed, you can see there's a lot of slop. So to get rid of this, we're going to tighten these M3 screws, which is going to push these V wheels into the V slot and get rid of that slop. So we're going to start out just by tightening that, and we're going to keep going. You can see the wheels starting to press in. I can still rotate these pretty easily, so I'm going to tighten a little more, getting a little tighter. Nice, that's about right. Now I'm going to move on and do the same thing to the bottom. Tighten that up. The wheel's starting to move again. It's getting pressed into that V slot. That's a little tight. Loosen up a little bit. You can still rotate. It's about good. Nice and solid. All set. Now we're going to preload the Y gantry. So right now, there's a lot of slop in that gantry, so we got to get rid of that. So we're going to start out by moving it all the way forward, pushing it up against the hard stops. And now we're going to loosen up this top screw just a little bit and loosen up same thing on the bottom just a little bit so the bracket can slide in that slot. And now we're going to come around the side and we're going to put the Allen key into this pre-drilled hole in the frame, and it's going to go right into the screw that's mounted to the V slot here. And we're just going to back that screw up, so we're going to loosen it, keep loosening it. You're going to feel it start to press outward, so the carriage is getting tight. Don't want to make it too tight, but we just want all the slop gone. So that's about good. Now we're going to come back, tighten these back up. This is going to lock it into place. Nice and snug. Same thing on the bottom. Nice and snug. And now we're going to come back, final step, go back in this hole, and we're just going to tighten this screw back down so it's out of the way. All the way, nice and snug. And now this should be able to move free, smooth, and no slop at all. Perfect. Last but not least, let's do the print carriage. Very important. So this one's pretty easy. It's just going to be this one screw here. So right now there's a lot of slop in that, so we're going to get rid of that by tightening this. So keep tightening it. You'll see the slop's going to get less and less. You can keep wiggling it, keep tightening it. Slop's almost gone, and slop's all gone. You can still go freely. We'll make it a little tighter. Perfect. No slop, moves freely, all set.